Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Cellcard plan supports international roaming and that your account is active. This prevents surprises abroad. Next, add credit or a dedicated roaming bundle through My Cellcard, UST code, or an outlet so you have allowance ready. Finally, enable data roaming and choose 4G or 3G in your phone settings to ensure compatibility. Doing these 3 steps now makes the rest faster and avoids service interruptions when you reach the destination network. Once you land, restart your phone to force a fresh network search. Your device will usually register on a Cellcard partner automatically. If it does not, go to Network Operators and manually select the recommended partner. This avoids roaming on an expensive or weak carrier. Make sure your APN matches Cellcard's data settings, enter the correct APN name, username, and leave blank where required, then save and reboot. This ensures data, MMS, and tethering function correctly on the foreign network. You should actively monitor usage through the My Cellcard app or UST to prevent unexpected charges and set a data limit or turn off background sync to conserve allowance. Prefer Wi-Fi for heavy tasks and tether cautiously, because billing differs while roaming. If service drops, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reselection of the partner network. If that fails, recheck APN and restart again. Contact Cellcard support with IMEI and current network info as a last step to resolve provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.